Hi, welcome to the quick walkthrough of Technology Expenses Tracker. This is a simple template which will help keep track of all your technology expenses happening in your business. On the left side, we have a quick summary section which shows the budget expense, total expenses incurred, the difference in between the both, and the percentage of actual expenses incurred. On the right side, we have three different sections, that is the accounts, expenses, and transactions. Under the account section, we can see that the technology expenses has been divided into three categories: hardware, services, and software. If you want to add a new category, simply scroll to the right, click on this plus over here to add a new category. If you want to edit an existing category, simply click on any of these categories and start editing the details over here. Once you've added the categories, you can see there are subcategories that are added underneath each category. You can edit any of the subcategories clicking on this pencil icon and editing the subcategories as and when you wish to do so. If you want to add a new subcategory, click on this new over here to add a new subcategory. You can also change the budgeted amount of expense that has been set over here. So simply click over here and put your new budgeted amount of expense. Everything else will automatically update. Finally, we have the expenses side where you can see a quick overview of how much expenses you have incurred compared to the budgeted amount, and this shows the percentage of actual expenses incurred. And then under the transactions window, you can set your own expenses by putting the date, the description, and the account. Under the account, you can set your subcategory for the expenses, and once you set that, you will be able to define your subcategorical expenses for each of the categories, and then you can put the amount over here. Once this is done, this template can be used to keep track of technology expenses for your business. This template is entirely customizable as per your requirement. If you want to customize this template, feel free to reach out to me at notionformyuse@gmail.com. I'll be happy to assist you on this further. Thank you.